it was when I was listening to your interview with Georgina, which obviously went out on Tuesday, and it was something that came up from your conversation around the use of language. And specifically, you were talking about the use of precise language and how we will benefit children by expecting and modeling that language, and listening along and thinking, well, actually, the language in particular that you were using, we were thinking about subtrahend and minuend and addend and dividend. And we could go further and start talking about other ones as well. But I noticed that they were all in the same sort of bracket of words.
Ooh,
They all had the
yeah.
same ending. So I thought, well, I wonder if looking back at the etymology of those words might help us a little bit. They all come from Latin, and they come from the form of the verb which ends ndus. So although we take the us off the end, so for example, we say minuend, not minuendus, it
Yeah.
comes from minuendus. And the gerundive form, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but that's how it's spelt, is that which must be done. So if you take minuend, for example, it's from the Latin verb minuere, which becomes minuendus, which means that which must be made smaller, which makes
Ooh,
perfect sense when you put it
yeah.
into
So
number,
then the
which must,
sub
well,
bit
the
that must
sub,
be subtracted.
exactly, yes.
Come on.
Subtrahendus, that which must be subtracted. I did think actually that does help, I think, because I think
That-
those are the two which people could get confused about.
I don't want to sound surprised, Becky, but that is genuinely helpful.